What is happening? What is going on with the price of the Air Jordan 4 Thunder? You guys still have a chance to get a pair of the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s for completely free. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, join the Moore family, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Travis Scott Olives, and then follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Travis Scott Olive giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. The giveaway winner will be in a YouTube video next month. Sold out. The Thunders sold out. They definitely had a lot of hype and a lot of demand. A lot of people wanted them. However, resale is not high at all. Not at all. What's going to happen and what is going on with the price of the Air Jordan 4 Thunder? Wake up, stop sleeping, go cop yourself a fire Sole Premise sneaker bag. These bags are made and designed to store your sneakers with you when you're traveling. There's also room for your clothes, laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. This is Sole Premise's brand new bag, and as you guys can see, you got room for your shoes, you got room for clothes, everything with you. There's tons and tons of room. They also make backpacks, luggage bags, all different types of bags, all different colors, and they're all made and designed to store your sneakers and bring them with you when you're traveling. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth, with my link down below in the description. Click that link, and don't forget to use my promo code Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore, will take off 40% off your entire order, making the bags great prices, guys. Steals for what you're getting, the quality, the fact that they hold your sneakers, you can take them with you. They're great travel bags, great backpacks, very high quality. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. The Air Jordan 4 Thunder released Saturday, May 13th. Retail on the men's pairs was $210. Grade school was $150. Resale right now is $260. For the most part, most sizes, men's sizes, around $260 right now, which is not much over retail, tax, and shipping. What is going on with the Air Jordan 4 Thunder? Why are prices so low? Here's my opinion, and I want you guys to leave your thoughts, your opinion, down below in the comments. But first, let me know down below in the comments, did you pick up the Air Jordan 4 Thunder? If you did, comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you did not, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped and who did not. Stock numbers. I think stock numbers were very high on the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, and that's a big reason why prices are so low. They made a lot, and I mean a lot of pairs. There's a lot of early pairs. These were not really that tough to get on release day. If you put in the work, if you really tried, you probably got a pair. They were not tough really at all to get. There was a lot of pairs, in my opinion, a crap ton of pairs, more than the Red Thunder 4s. The Red Thunders released at a beautiful time. They also had a lot of resale, a lot of demand, and did not have nearly as many pairs made like they did here with the yellow OG Air Jordan 4 Thunder. However, they still sold out. They still had enough demand to where they sold out. Those prices are low, and in my opinion, they're gonna drop a little bit more, which is not really that surprising in my opinion, because there was a lot of pairs. There was a lot of pairs, like I said. So, here is, in my opinion, the better investment, the better hold if you guys are looking to hold. I don't recommend holding men's. I recommend holding grade school, because grade school, retail's $150. They're going for $160, $170 on the market. Retail plus tax. That's it. I don't think you guys can go wrong holding grade school pairs. I don't think you can go wrong holding them. It's a grade school Jordan 4. I do think those will go up to around $210, $220 on the market. It's not a bad hold if you guys are willing to hold the grade school at a cheaper price point. Men's pairs, I don't think they're worth the hold. I don't. For them to be worth holding, they would have to go up to $320, $330, $340, and I just don't see that happening for quite some time. I don't see it happening on the Thunders. I think you guys should quick flip them, move on to the next release. However, with that being said, it's still a very, very fire pair of Jordan 4s. Guys, the market's low, so if you're looking to buy a pair, cop them. It's a great pair of Jordan 4s if you want to wear them, enjoy them. That's what I'm going to be doing with this pair right here. It's a great must-have for me in my personal collection, in my opinion. These are a must. Resale prices on these being low is cool because it gives those a chance to actually cop a Jordan 4 at less than $300, which is really good. A good colorway, an all-black Jordan 4 for the most part with one hit of color and a really good color blocking. It's a good price. Go out and cop if you want them for personal, do it. On the resale side of things, holding men's, I don't think it's going to be worth your time, your money, your investment. Grade school, though, definitely a better hold, in my opinion, that I think is going to give you a better return on investment. So that's what's going on with the prices, man. We're going to see that price drop a little bit as more pairs start coming in this week. Next week, people are going to get their pairs and dump them off. And we're probably going to wind up seeing a lot of returns for people that can't resell them. So, hey, you might have a chance going into your local store, popping up and seeing them. I could definitely see that happening. And who knows, they may even hit the outlets based on returns. And who knows, Nike probably has more pairs that they'll probably send off to the outlet. I could see that happening with the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. All of this is my opinion. I want you guys to leave your opinion down below in the comments. This video is just my opinion. I want to make that very clear. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. None of that stuff. I'm giving you guys my thoughts, my opinion on my experiences being in the game for a while since 2010. So, hey, I've seen shoes go up. I've seen them go down. This is just my opinion. I don't believe that the Jordan 4 Thunder, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I don't see them being worth a great hold in the men's pairs. Quick flip them, move on, and take your little bit of profits now. Move on to the next release. The Jordan 4 Thunder, though, man, fire. I cannot wait to wear them. If you guys want me to wear them and do like a full wear test video after wearing them for a certain amount of time, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you guys can get this video up to 800 likes, that's a lot of likes. Maybe a month, maybe 2 months, 3 months. You guys be the judge and let me know down below in the comments section. Prices are low on the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. $260 is not much over retail, tax, shipping. Retail's $210 alone. It's not much over at all. Resale is low on the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, and I think it's going to remain low for quite some time, but it's a very good wearable, clean pair of Jordan 4s. I know a lot of people still want a pair of Jordan 4s just in general to add to their collection because some of you guys may not have a Jordan 4. So listen, it's a good pair of Jordan 4s to get into. For the resale prices, definitely worth it. It's not much over retail, and I think it's worth it. I think if you're going to wear them, put them to use, enjoy them, I think you'll definitely get your money's worth out of the Air Jordan 4 Thunder compared to other more expensive Jordan 4s that might be a little bit more wearable, but you're going to be spending $100 plus more on other Air Jordan 4s like the Military Black or even the Midnight Navies, a little bit more than these, so you'll be spending more money on a Jordan 4. Compared to the Thunder, I think it's a good buy. Buy them now while you guys can. Eventually, prices will creep up, but I don't think it's going to be worth your time, money, or investment. But eventually, it's inevitable. These will creep up in price a little bit. It is a good pair of Jordan 4s at the end of the day. Can't go wrong with an all-black Nubuck Air Jordan 4 with one hit of color. It's nice. It's clean, it's wearable, and I am in love and so happy that I finally have a set. The Thunder and Lightning set. This right here is crazy to me. Back in high school, these were grails. This was something sought after like crazy. And now all these years later, got them. Got the set. Guys, sometimes it doesn't even pay resell. If you're willing to wait it out, it might be years, it might be a decade later, but eventually you'll get your hands on what you want. And it finally paid off. I didn't pay resell on either one, so I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy to have the Thunder, the Lightning, fire. After all these years, I'm speechless. This right here means something. If you know, you know. Crazy. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow, and make sure you guys subscribe because I'm giving away a pair of the Travis Scott Olives to one of you guys watching. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment, right now. Let me know your size in the olives. DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. And make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. Good luck on a free pair of the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Sneaker collection video coming very soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.